3 minutes to easily master the installation and use of Etryon Virtual Try-On. Follow this quick guide and you'll have your Shopify product pages ready for virtual try-on in no time. Etryon brings virtual try-on to Shopify product pages, so shoppers can upload a photo and see how an item may look before purchasing. After installing Etryon Virtual Try-On in Shopify Admin, open Online Store Themes, Customize. In the product template, add the Etryon Try-On app block and save. This will enable the Try-On button on product pages. In the theme editor, you can also adjust the button placement, styling, and storefront text to match your brand. Next, open a product page on the storefront and click Virtual Try-On. The Try-On modal opens, where shoppers can upload a photo or select a recently uploaded photo. After the photo is ready, click Try It On to start generation. When the result is available, the modal displays the generated try-on image. Shoppers can regenerate, download the image, or add the product to cart directly, without leaving the product page. In the Merchant Admin, the dashboard shows the current connection status, available try-ons, and recent generation activity. In Generation Settings, merchants can control where try-on is enabled for all products, specific collections, or selected products. You can also configure daily limits separately for guests and logged-in customers. Choose whether to show recent uploads in the modal. Set the output aspect ratio. And enable preset backgrounds and beauty mode if desired. In Text and Styles, merchants can customize the copy and visual styles across the try-on modal to keep the experience consistent with the storefront theme. Finally, in billing, merchants can manage their subscription plan and purchase additional try-on packs when needed. And that's it. In just a few steps, your Shopify store is ready to offer shoppers a seamless virtual try-on experience, boosting confidence and helping drive more sales. Enjoy exploring Etryon.